Welcome to another Fraser's GAMSAT sketch video. I hope you like the new pen and paper version, and that will be something that we might be doing in the future. Comment below if you like it better than the digital version. So today we're going to be talking about how to convert units. This is going to be a very brief video, but I want to explain my reasoning process and how I actually go about converting units concisely and quickly. First off, if you're interested in our courses or you want to find out more information about us, click in the top right hand corner of the video now. And otherwise watch the rest of the video and learn as best you can. So first off, you need to understand the values of the different units. In particular, all the different values of prefixes. So I want you to have a look at the list that I've drawn below, and I want you to guess what the values of all those prefixes are. Okay, did you have a go? Hopefully you tried your best to get through them. So now I'm going to write them all out. Now this isn't a comprehensive list, but this is a pretty good list of the main scientific ones, and you really need to know this, okay? Another important aspect of converting units is knowing how to manipulate fractions and index notation, and also to understand what you're calculating between and what your final answer will look like. So let's look at some examples of converting between units. Okay, so one important thing is when converting units, especially in cubed or in volume or area, when a prefix is cubed or squared, so when the exponent is around the prefix and the unit itself, you have to add brackets because both the prefix is cubed and the unit is cubed. So let's look at this example. So I've got 105 millimeters cubed going to meters cubed. So first I convert it to index notation and I add the brackets in that aren't already there. So 105 times 10 to the power of 3, so that's the milli prefix that we went through earlier, in brackets times meters, all cubed. Now I'm just going to expand this out using BODMAS. If you don't know your index notation and your exponential rules, that's something we teach in our bridging courses, but also something that you need to know for the GAMSAT. And also how to carry zeros. So 105 times 10 to the negative 9, we can take two of those negative 2's and multiply it by 10 to the power of 2 in the 105. So we're taking two zeros out and trading off to make the index notation in single units. And I've made some extra adjustments as I've gone down. So I've converted to meters cubed, so I've answered the question 1.05 times 10 to the negative 7 meters cubed, and often in the GAMSAT they'll have different iterations of the same answer with just one or two numbers different, trying to push you off. If you need to convert it back into a cubed format with a prefix, then you need to put the brackets in again, and it needs to be a multiple of the exponent. So in this case it's meters cubed. So the prefix has to be a multiple of 3. So the only prefix that would work is centi, because that's 6, and that's the biggest one that we can get in 7. You could also use deci, so that would be 1.05 times 10 to the negative 4, and it'd be decimeters cubed. But in this case I use centi because it's the most balanced solution. So you put 10 to the negative 2, and you've divided by 3 because you put it inside the brackets. And then overall the answer is 0.105 centimeters cubed, and I can convert that to decimeters cubed, and I can convert it to any of the different prefixes just by adding them in as required. So I hope this video hasn't been too convoluted and it's helped you in converting your units this year. If you're interested in more courses or hearing my voice more, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and comment what you want to see below. And remember to click that top right to see more of our courses. Thanks.